Hey everyone, welcome back to Atarion news channel. I'm excited to share something that could change how we build software. AWS just launched something called Kiro IDE. And trust me, even if you're new to coding, this is going to blow your mind. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to have a super smart coding partner who never gets tired and catches all your mistakes, keep watching. This isn't just another coding tool, it's like having an experienced developer sitting next to you. So, what exactly is Kiro? Think of it as a smart code editor, kind of like Microsoft Word, but for programmers. And here's the cool part, it has artificial intelligence built right in that can actually help you build entire applications. Most coding tools just help you write code faster. Kiro is different. It thinks ahead, plans your project, and even catches problems before they happen. It's like the difference between a regular calculator and a smart tutor who explains math problems step by step. Amazon Web Services built this using their Cloud AI technology, the same smart AI that can have conversations and solve complex problems. Now, you might be thinking, I'm just learning to code, why should I care? Well, here's why this is actually perfect for beginners. Imagine you want to build a simple app, let's say a to do list or a photo gallery. Normally, you'd spend weeks figuring out all the pieces you need, how they fit together, and what could go wrong. With Kiro, you literally just say, I want to build a to do app, and it creates a complete plan for you. Not just a code, but a proper blueprint showing you exactly what you need to build, in what order, and why. It's like having a mentor who has built thousands of apps guide you through your first project. Here's where Kiro gets really smart. Most AI coding tools just spit out code when you ask. Kiro does something much better. It creates what programmers call specs. Think of specs like a detailed recipe. Before a chef cooks a complex meal, they plan out all the ingredients, the cooking steps, and timing. That's what Kiro does for your code. Let's say you ask Kiro to add a review system to my online store. Instead of just writing code, it first asks itself, what does a review system actually need? Then it creates a plan showing how users will write reviews, how reviews will be displayed, what happens if someone tries to leave an empty review, how to prevent fake reviews. This planning step is what separates beginners from professional developers, and Kiro does that automatically. Now, here's my favorite feature, something called hooks. Think of hooks like having a really careful friend checking your work. You know how when you're writing an essay, you might forget to spell check or save your work. Hooks are like having someone who automatically saves your work every few minutes, checks your spelling as you type, makes sure your formatting looks good, even suggests better ways to write sentences. In coding terms, hooks automatically test your code to make sure it works, update documentation when you make changes, check for security problems, and keep everything organized. You set them up once and they work in the background forever. Let me show you how this would work in real life. Let's say you want to build a simple blog website. The old way was that you'd spend days researching how blogs work, what database to use, how to handle user accounts, how to prevent spam, and hundreds of other details. And now with Kiro, you just type create a blog website, and within minutes you get a complete list of features your blog needs, a technical plan showing how everything connects, step by step tasks in the right order, automatic tests to make sure everything works. Then, as you build it, hooks automatically keep everything clean and secure. What makes Kiro special isn't just that it writes code. A lot of tools do that now. Is that Kiro thinks like a professional developer. Professional developers don't just write code. They plan, they document, they test, they think about what could go wrong. These skills usually take years to learn. Kiro gives you all these professional habits from day one. It's like learning to drive with an expert instructor who never gets impatient and catches every mistake before it becomes a problem. For beginners, this means you can focus on learning the creative and fun parts of coding, while Kiro handles the boring but important professional stuff. Now, here's how you can get started with Kiro. It's currently in public preview, and while some people might need to join a waitlist, many users can actually download it directly from kiro.dev once they have access. The great news is that it's a downloadable application that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's built on the same foundation as Visual Studio Code, so if you have used Visual Studio Code before, you'll feel right at home. You can authenticate using GitHub, Google, or AWS Builder ID, making it easy to get started with whatever account you prefer. I think Kiro represents something bigger than just another coding tool. We're seeing the beginning of AI that doesn't just follow instructions, but actually thinks ahead and plans. This could make programming accessible to millions of people who thought it was too complicated. Imagine artists building their own portfolio websites, teachers creating custom learning apps, or small business owners building exactly the tools they need. The barrier between having an idea and turning it into working software just got a lot lower. So there you have it, AWS's Kiro IDE. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been intimidated by coding, this might be the perfect time to get on the waitlist and prepare for when access opens up. The combination of smart planning, automatic quality checks, and beginner friendly guidance could make 2025 the year that anyone can build software. If that has caught your attention, you might as well check the setup guide I have included in the description box below. And if this helped you understand what all the buzz is about, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news that actually matters. Until next time, keep learning, and I'll see you again in the next video.